All right, welcome back to my shaky demonstration, trying to do this pivot method from the book in Clo. Okay, so I have my shape. I think the next thing is I need to trace this so it's not an internal line and it's its actual own pattern piece. So let's attempt to do that right now using the trace tool. Right click, trace as a pattern, bring it over here. Let's see if it's happy with us to do that. It is. So I need to shave off part of this because this is our dart that was from the shoulder, and we want to keep our yoke straight. We don't want it curved, but we don't really mind if our shirt is curved. So I guess I'm going to bring it, I can't think of any like fancy way to do this other than just putting it on top here and let's see here. What if I reflect it and then I trace it? Is that good? So it looks like it's lined up. I'm gonna select this guy, I'm gonna right click it, I'm going to flip it vertically. Okay, then I will bring it down. Why is my center fronts not, it looks like it's kind of at an angle, so that's not good. I need to rotate it so it's straight. Okay. I'm not sure how I got that messed up. Okay, that's fine. So then now all I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to bring, that's interesting, okay. I think it's this line should be right there. Okay, so now I'm going to just mess with this pattern by taking this point. I guess I could add a point right here. Why don't I lock this guy, this yoke, right click, and lock him. Okay. And then now I'm just going to add a point right here. And then I can just maybe, I don't know what we're doing, take this point, right, and move it. Oh, you know what? I should add a point right here. There we are. And I can probably just delete this point at this point. Let's see here. And then I'll go back here and right click and say convert to curve. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to select the background, right click, unlock all pattern outlines, click this guy, right click, and flip it vertically again. Okay, and then now I guess I want to extend you as a perpendicular line. Okay, and then I suppose I just bring you down. Okay, that's the pattern piece we want. Okay, so let's see here. I guess all of this I can just delete. I'm probably gonna have to do some sewing because I don't think this guy is sewn together, right? Let's check our sewing. Yeah, who knows what he is sewn to. So I'm just gonna pick you and just delete whatever you thought you were sewn to. You're not really sewn to anything right now. And we'll have to redo the sewing. Yeah, it doesn't look like, I don't know why you're red. Oh, we're probably just an internal line. Okay, great. Okay, I did it. I drafted the yoke and I just moved the shoulder dart. I would like to find a much easier way in Clo, so look for that video. But for now, I'm just going to finish this, and all we have to do is just turn this dart to gather. So in Clo, that's pretty easy. You just delete that guy, and it should go away. And now it gives us more fullness because it's fabric. If I want, it's not a bad idea to convert to a curved point, so it's not like pointy, it's just kind of smooth. And then they want us to extend this guy 3 inches. I'm going to right-click it. I'm going to offset as a pattern outline. And we're going to choose 3 inches. I kind of want to view it, make sure everything looks good. Yeah, say okay. Okay, cool. So now the next step is going to be to tell Clo how to sew this guy up. And we haven't done pleats yet, so that's exciting. So I'll start a new video for that one. I think this is going to wrap up this video demonstration here.